Hey guys, I'm playing Minecraft and I just built a Mario map which looks cool. I'm just gonna play it, but the levels are stupid. I just died and fall off the edge like a doofus. When I go like this and run, I pause. I just float, but if I unpause, I just die. But I'm just going to sleep in my Mario map. The texture pack is so cool on this. Like I am playing as a ninja or something. So here's the sun. The sun looks cool. Let's just parkour over this Mario map. Okay. Toad is not there anymore because he made me stuck in his glass wall. So I decided to just kill him, but for some reason he just ran like crazy, and he just died, and he just killed himself all the way down there. He died right there. So I was gonna add like a cool thing right here, the flag, but I added a sign on this side. I added a sign on that side for the I don't know, for the flag thing, and Peach says Mario loud because actually she says it super loud because we just fell on her head. That's why. So if she says it loud, you have to just do this. That's what I have to do. So I'm just gonna undie, and we have to do it all over again. We don't have to sleep because actually, because actually it's daytime. You're only allowed to sleep in night. You're supposed to stand on these fences because if you don't, you won't really grow that much big. But if you stand on this side and go on this side, you will still grow big. So it's okay. The glass, I don't want to break it. It's me, Mario. Okay. Bang. And I fell on his head again, so I have to die again. Ooh. Owie. Okay. We don't need these stinking beds. Yeah, we do. We need 4 of them. We need 4 of them because right now because it's there's 4 player. 4 player won't be able to sleep, so that's why I have like 4 beds. Okay, so I just died that way. Okay. Gonna stop being crazy. I can just break and see how many beds I have because I don't think there's 4. Yep, there's 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, there's 4. Okay, it's not like that. It's like this. Hit. And bye! And I saved myself. See you guys. Bye, troops. Bye. Bye. This is Tatum boy. Bye.